Good morning, children. In previous class, we learned about moving a field and freezing a field, children. In this class, we will discuss about a new feature that is hiding a field, children. Okay, MS Access is provided new feature that is hiding a field. Hide means what, children? You can't able to see that. That is only called a hiding a field. If you want to hide some column or some field means you can hide temporarily only you can hide. For that, what shall we do? We just click on the column heading. That means whatever field you want to hide, you just click on the column heading there. Then some menu will come. In that menu, you just click on hide fields option. Which option? Hide fields option. Then after that, you are unable to see that field, children. That is only called the hiding the fields. Our next topic is unhiding the hidden fields, children. The fields which you have hidden earlierly can be brought back to the table. It means whatever fields you hidden before, if you want to brought back again to the table, it means you just follow some steps. What are those? First, right click on the any of the column heading. In that table, so many column headings are there, no, children. You just right click on any one of it. Then some one menu will come. In that, unhide fields option will come. Unhide fields option will be there, children. You just click on unhide fields option. Then you will get a one dialog box. In that, whatever fields are there, whatever columns are there, those all the names will be displayed in that one, children. See here, in this box, tick marks will be there, no? See here, children, in this one, marks will be. Tick marks will be. If you want to hide any column means you just unmark it. Okay, children. If you want to unhide, you just mark on it. Then whatever tick marks will be there, no, children? Only those marks columns only you can see here on the table. Okay, children? Our next topic is moving through records, children. Okay, while we are entering the data, if you want to move across the table, that means in a table so many columns are there. If you want to move means how you can move? By using the mouse click. By using the mouse pointer only we can click, no, children. Okay, when we are adding or when we want to delete anything, any record like that means it is very difficult by using the mouse pointer, by using the mouse, children. Whereas here MS Access provides a navigation toolbar. MS Access is providing a navigation toolbar, children, where it will be at the bottom of the data sheet. Okay, it convenient to make through the records. What is the use of this one, children? We can move very conveniently through the records, children, by using this one. What is that? Navigation toolbar. By using the navigation toolbar, we can move very easily between the records in the table. Okay, children? Various navigation toolbar options are there here, children. See, these are some navigation toolbar options. What is the first one? Total 6 are there, children. How many? 6 navigation buttons are there. What are those? First one is takes you to the first record. If you click on this one, first button means it will takes you to the first record. Moves to the previous record. Second one is that moves to the previous record. See, children, here 1 of 6 are there. If the first one of 6, the total how many are there? 6 are there. The first one is takes you to the first record. And the second one is moves to the previous record. It moves to the previous record. The third one is type the specific record number to move. Okay, 3 of 6 means if you click on you should mention there a specific record number. Okay, that fourth one is takes you to the next record. Fourth means what? It will moves to the next record. If you are in 5 means it will shows us if you click on this 4, what will happen? It will shows the sixth one. Moves to the last record. It will move as what is the last one means last record. And sixth one is the go to new record. It will show to us the new record. Here rows are records, children. Okay, children, rows are records. Did you understand, children, till here? Thank you. Till here we completed our portion, children.